Hello, my name is Brehon and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Hey family, I hope you guys are doing great out there. Hey, I just wanted to talk about a cryptocurrency, DigiByte. Now, I've been investing in this stock, HUMBLPAY, and HUMBLPAY is creating what many consider to be the international version of CashApp or the international version of PayPal, where you can send and receive payments. Merchants can use the app to set up their accounts, and you can send money to anyone in the participating countries. Okay, I think there's over 100 countries that will be participating in this HumblePay app, and so they're rolling it out. I have a strong belief and a strong conviction in this company, so I've been investing in them for quite a while now. But they've been talking a lot about DigiByte. So DigiByte will be one of the currencies, the blockchain technologies that they will be using in its process. Now, I didn't know that much about DigiByte, but listening to the CEO and representatives of the company talk about it, it made me really think about maybe picking up some shares. So that's what I did. I started following them on Twitter. If you get a chance, you could check them out on Twitter at DigiByteCoin. And it's the fastest, longest, most secure, and truly decentralized blockchain in the world today. 40 times faster than Bitcoin, only 7 years old, and it's battle hardened. So again, most of you guys in the comments could probably educate me a little bit more on DigiByte, but I think there's a future with DigiByte, and I think there's a picture with representatives of HumblePay, I think the CEO of DigiByte, and also some representatives of Microsoft. So I don't know if this is factual or not, but they were talking about there may be a possibility that Microsoft may be utilizing this blockchain technology also. So that made me want to go out and buy some shares. So I've been holding DigiByte for a month now. I haven't done any videos on it. And I've been looking for videos and I haven't found that many videos on DigiByte. So I decided that maybe I'll do a couple of videos and see how it goes. I am a long-term holder. Well, I will be a long-term holder, but I always look for opportunities to buy more shares or to sell at a high. All right, so when I had pulled up the DigiByte chart, I saw that, man, this thing was trading at, 0.022 cents back in February, March, and it went almost as high as over almost 8.4 cent, which represented almost a 270% gain. And so it's been pulling back now, and I think I got in here around 5 cents a share. So I'm going to continue holding and watching and reading these technicals, because again, I don't do a whole bunch of lines on charts. I don't draw a bunch of patterns. I use a simple strategy that I've been using for quite a while now, and that's utilizing the 20-day moving average. Now, every once in a while, I may draw some support and resistance, but for the most part, I like the MACD and I like the 20-day moving average. And as we look at the MACD, we can see that we have some momentum that has been coming back into DigiByte. We crossed over the 20-day moving average on the 11th, which is a great sign for me because I love jumping into stocks once they cross above the 20-day moving average. And I will place my stop limit on the candle that was below the 20-day moving average. So those were the strategies I like to use to minimize my loss. All right, so I like to jump in above this 20-day moving average and kind of like ride this thing up, and I'll continue riding up. And once we get too far away from the 20-day moving average, something like a situation here, I would sell and wait for a pullback. Okay, because again, based on tendencies, I've been looking at some. I'm in some other cryptocurrencies too. So I'm in Cardano, and I'm in a few others. But but coins, currency, stocks, whatever, they don't move too far away from the 20-day moving average. So they either they will move far away or far below, but they always snap back to the 20-day moving average. Okay, so when you take a look at the history, you could take that and implement some strategies to make sure that you are successful winning over and over and over again. Okay, so that's it for my DigiByte video. Please leave some comments, educate me more on DigiByte. I'm a holder right now, and I think I have about $1,500 in it, and I may continue adding some more shares, but we'll see what happens because I'm in a lot of other cryptos also. All right, now listen, this is your first time checking me out, hit the like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.